Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Sorry about the wind, but it's either windy or raining lately. It's a sharp 2016 Ram 1500 with the Echo diesel. Incredible setup. It's one of my favorite trucks. Nice colors, called the Brilliant Black. It's a metallic black. Got the nice 20-inch chrome wheels. Towing package. Got the dual exhaust in the bumper, front and rear park assist sensors. What a beauty. It's got the running board, and this one's got the big doors in the back. It's a full-size crew cab, not the little doors. Got the chrome mirrors, door handles, chrome bumper, chrome grille, automatic headlights. Also, it's got the automatic high beam. You can ride with your high beam, and someone comes in front of you, it'll automatically go back to normal and back and forward automatically. Very nice. Lots of buttons on this one. This is a Laramie, loaded with options. One of them is the remote engine start. You just lock it, push this button twice, fires right up. On a diesel, that's real handy. Give it time to warm up, get the climate control going. As you can hear, this is not your granddaddy's diesel. It's very quiet, and once you're inside the cab, you can't even tell it's a diesel. It's a one owner, clean Carfax Southern truck, no rust, no mud, very clean. It's got the keyless enter and go system. As long as the key fob is nearby, you can just touch the door handle, it unlock, and you push this and it'll lock. So you never have to get the key out. Got the power mirrors, power windows. It's even got power folding mirrors, and they are heated, so if you're in a tight garage or car wash, you can fold your mirrors in. Very nice. How about heated and cool leather seats? Good quality leather, in light new condition, no sign of wear. Got memory seat, got power seat and lumbar support on both sides. You can still smell the new truck smell, the new leather. It hadn't been smoked in or anything. Very clean. Automatic headlights, fog lights, adjustable power pedals. Got all your auto control behind the steering wheel. Keep your hand on the road. Keep your eyes on the road and the hand on the steering wheel. Nice, comfortable, heated, leather wrapped steering wheel. Very nice on cold mornings. Push button start. You just put your foot on the brake. Boom. Fires right up. Well, the computer system anyway, it's already running. About 13,185 miles. Very low miles. You'll probably have a few more miles when you show up, because I plan on driving this truck. I really like it. Fuel mileage, it's rated for 21 in the city, 29 on the highway. I got up to 31 on the highway, so it's pretty incredible. With a 26-gallon fuel tank, 600-700 miles range. Pretty amazing. Let's see here. On the left, you've got your DEF fluid gauge. That lasts a long time. That's your fuel gauge. Got all your trip computer. Let me see here. You got all your stuff here. Gauges, speedometer. You can go to different things. Engine hours, pressure, temperature, oil life left, and all that. Very nice. Computer keeps up with the oil life. Tells you when it's time to change the oil. There's your voice activated commands, like you can activate your Siri on your phone, Google, whatever they got going. That's your phone. Bluetooth you connect for your phone. Cruise control. It does have an automatic transmission, 8-speed, which is how you get the fuel mileage. But you can select here up and down. Let's say you're towing, you want a downshift, you can just push this button. Got the select here for the transmission. That's your backup camera. Spark. Shift on to fly 4-wheel drive. Automatic 4-wheel drive, 4-lock, 4-low, and 2-wheel drive. Also, you've got a factory trailer brake controller, so you can adjust. Instead of having an aftermarket gizmo, it's all factory. Heated seat, air conditioning seat, heated steering wheel. That's for the passenger. You can turn off your park assist. Let's see, you've got your tailgate down. You need to turn that off, otherwise it'll be going off all the time. Tow mode, traction control. Alright, you've got your map. Just straightforward navigation system, very nice. AM, FM, XM satellite, Cirrus they call it now. You've got USB, auxiliary input, Bluetooth, so you can stream from your phone wirelessly or SD card. Here's all your controls. Got all these apps. You can pay and get Wi-Fi on this vehicle. Make a truck your hotspot. I use my phone, but if you don't have that on your phone, you can make your truck a hotspot, which is neat with kids with iPads and things like that. There's your dual climate control on both sides, and back to phone. Shows you outside temperature, compass, clock. Got a nice space for your phone here and your wire to come out. Got a 12-volt outlet, cup holder. Here you've got a SD card. I don't know if you can see it. Auxiliary. Camera won't turn, but in your USB. And also, if you raise it all the way up, you got a lot more storage. I do have the extra key, owner's manual, original window sticker. Just about $54,000 for this truck. So if you're looking for a light new truck and a good saving, I mean, this is it. You've got a automatic dimming rearview mirror, emergencies like the OnStar for Chrysler, universal garage door opener, power sliding rear glass. It's nice. Truck, like I said, is like new. No sound of wear. It's got the Alpine sound system. Sounds terrific. I guess I'll leave it running so you can hear how quiet it is. I like the big doors. They open wide. Nice comfortable seating. These raise up. They'll do the same thing on both sides. Get the flat stores. Let's say you got a heavy toolbox or something heavy. You don't want to put an imprint on the seat. You can do that. Got nice LED lights here so you can see what's happening. You've got heated seat in the back and some climate vents, so keep everybody comfortable. Very nice. This is where you put your fuel, diesel, and the def on the other side. That's the diesel, it just goes in there. On the towing package, you've got both type of plugs. It's rated at 9,200 pounds. I did tow a small trailer and it's unbelievable. You can't even tell there's a trailer behind you. It tows really well. Not a problem. So that does the same, it raises up. Plus you've got on each side, you've got some storage box. They come out, so you want to put some ice, put some drinks in here, or anything, or just stuff. Power seat, passenger. Very clean carpets, floor mats. It's a sweet truck. And this is where all the magic happens. It's a 3-liter V6 turbocharged diesel. Don't let the size fool you. It puts out more torque than a Hemi. This is 420 foot-pounds of torque and 240 horse. Torque is really where it's happening, and that's what this engine delivers for you. Got a nice clean engine compartment. It's been serviced. Very quiet. Sweet setup. This truck comes with the remainder of the factory warranty, 3-year 36, bumper to bumper, or 5-year 100 on the powertrain. You can see the description for the details. If you're looking for a sharp truck, loaded with option, I believe you found it. To see if this Ram's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. It's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. My credit application is on the website. You can fill it out. I'll get to work, see what I can do for you. We do ship worldwide. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text me anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching, and come and see us.